佢話呢只係簡直係豬肉嘅法拉利喎，好似幾正喎。呢個係 mini spring rolls 喎，10.99。呢個揾到啦，呢個打邊爐嘅肥牛12.99，800 gram。Hello， 大家好，今日我嚟到 Costco， 你同我一齊嚟睇下今期 Costco 有啲咩特價產品。如果你未訂閱，請你訂閱我頻道支持下。喺 Watford 呢間 Costco 嘅門口擺放咗咁多嘅植物，9.5磅，仲有呢啲11.98，佢擺咗出嚟嘅而家。呢啲係好似桔咁嘅呢啲。26.99啊，好多花，23.98一個 pot。Blossom tree 啊 ，Blossom tree 係咪櫻花？23.98喎，咁大棵。門口呢啲電器係特價喎，呢個係 Instant Rice Cooker 飯煲。47.98，呢個晾衫籃9.58，咁佢可以摺埋咁細嘅，即係好慳位啦！睇下咁細嘅摺埋，跟住呢，如果你放出嚟呢，就可以變得咁大啊，所以好慳位，可以買多幾個喺度搭喺度都得。擺浴室嘅地氈都好平喎，8.99，平3磅，連埋 VAT 係10.78嘅。睇下呢張，好大張啊！哇，好厚喎，同埋後邊係唔滲水嘅，啲質地好好啊，好腍啊！好開心啊！帶子有平啊，平磅半啊每包，咁買幾包咯。This is like the Ferrari.
Ferrari.
How do I make them?
Pan fry it.
Yeah.
Air fryer.
Yeah. So this is better than that.
It's better quality.
哦，呢個而家平5磅啊，呢個平5磅，但係呢個咧就平7磅。頭先個職員咧即係喺隔離煮飯，佢而家會煮啊，有得試食㗎啦一陣間。佢話呢只係簡直係豬肉嘅法拉利喎，佢話要買呢只喎，21磅幾一個 kilo， 呢只咧係唔係啊？呢個22磅幾一個 kilo 喎，咁嗰個咪仲平？呢個豬肉嘅法拉利咪仲平？個職員問叫我哋買呢個，因為可能第日遲啲佢唔會再特價咯。佢話因為咧復活節啦，同埋夏天又會BBQ 嘅季節嚟啦，咁佢哋唔會再做特價噶啦。呢個次次都嚟到買青口嘅，呢個龍蝦24.99一個 kilo 啊，青口啊5.79磅喎，2個 kilo。睇下而家出咗幾多復活節嘅產品啊！呢個係檸檬嘅意大利麵包喎，嗰陣時聖誕就食好多呢啲意大利麵包啦。睇下呢啲復活好，好多朱古力啊！呢個好靚啊！11.98，哇！睇下呢個成隻雞同埋啲蛋好靚，好似有個鳥巢咁啊！23.98啊呢個。
Want with them. You can even have them straight from the pack. Breakfast, dinner, dessert, sugar, cinnamon, cheese, eggs, hummus, curry.
有啲黃金梨5.49，一 pack 有6個。入嚟個大雪櫃睇下有啲咩先。葱1.98磅喎，咁大隻1.98磅。仲有蒜頭啦，已經剝咗衣嘅，1公斤5.99。士多啤梨都幾抵喎，4.98。一個公斤4.98喎，今日呢個芒果平啊，其實4.98，一盒啲 Mexico Brazil 嘅喎，一盒有6個睇下。咁呢啲亞洲食品全部都冇特價，呢個有平係咩嚟嘅呢？哦，蝦炒飯呢個平2 磅半，而家9.49。呢個係 mini spring rolls 喎，係呢種喎，10.99磅。呢個試下好唔好食先？好脆啊，好熱。佢呢個春卷好食啊！頭先就係試呢個春卷咯，唔知呢啲好唔好食啊？不過呢個都好，不如試下咯，買一盒。有30件咁都抵啊！呢隻有特價喎，平1磅，而家3.99。朱古力曲奇呢一隻都有喎，亦都好平喎。哇！如果買翻嚟啲細路仔就好開心喎。平1磅有12個，而家3.99。啊！呢個限量版添喎，揾到啦！呢個打邊爐嘅肥牛12.99，800 gram。去買蒜頭先，5.49一 pack， 1公斤都好抵啊！攞咗廁紙啦，18.58有40卷廁紙。又要入貨啦！呢個早餐 Weetabix 1 pack 2盒4.49，係呢一度最平噶啦，仲平過英超啊！呢啲好多喎，1 pack 你睇下有6筒啊，同埋好靚喎，成個紙盒咁樣，1 pack 有6筒嘅麥維他，平磅4，而家5.29。仲有呢隻，我個仔最中意食呢個朱古力味，不過係冇特價嘅，要7.78。1 pack 有5個杯麵，4.59。呢個醋有特價喎，係咪？6.58試下先，呢個2支嘅石榴醋6.58。咦，有氣嘅喎，同埋酸酸地，有啲乸喉嘅感覺。不過係咪有益啊？
You know this one is Korean's number one beauty product. You can use as a salad dressing.
Yeah.
Add it on yogurts and water, and I'm adding with the sparkling water today.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's why it's sparkling. So it's actually not sparkling,
Actually not.
but you've added the water. So how do I make
Vinegar
it?
and
Yes,
pomegranate.
yeah.
Normally I have it with the yogurt. 1 spoon with the plain yogurt, and add the chia seeds, flax seeds,
Oh,
pumpkin
yeah.
seeds, anything. It's
So-
twin pack. You are
Yeah.
paying today £6.58.
Yeah.
including VAT.
Yes. Yeah.
It's on special offer.
Oh, and the ingredients, is it just pure ingredients?
You can
Let's have a look at the
understand more than
ingredient.
me.
Oh, it's in Korean. Oh, I don't know
Yeah.
Korean.
But it's in English.
Oh yeah, let's see the English.
Yeah. So it says at the front is 100%
Yes.
pomegranate.
Yeah. And you say
it's got
this
the
is made in Korea.
Yeah.
And it's #1 beauty product.
Yes, yes. Yeah.
Oh,
It
wow.
says the #1 beauty product of Japanese
Yeah.
#1 beauty product and Korean beauty product and vinegar drinks.
Do you drink apple
Yeah,
vinegar?
this one, you mean?
Oh yeah, what's it different? Yeah.
Apple cider vinegar
Yes.
for all purpose.
Yeah.
These people, you can't add it on yogurt, this one.
Oh, can I have a look at the apple vinegar? Because this is very good as well, the apple vinegar.
This one,
Yes,
I
oh, it's
added
organic.
in a plain water.
You add it with plain water?
The salad dressing.
Yes.
But this one, you add it for the yogurt.
Yogurt. You can mix it with yogurt.
But this one you can't.
Oh, I see. Okay. Do you know how much is that one? Because this one has pure ingredient.
Someone bring it
Yeah.
and then change their mind and take this one.
呢種 popcorn 有特價，甜嘅，平磅半，而家6.58。唔知呢隻韓式炸雞薯片好唔好食咧？你哋有冇試過啊？可唔可以留言話俾我知好唔好食啊？而家係8.14。呢隻印尼蝦片有特價喎，而家平1磅，咁大包先至係2磅半。山竹7.99喎，有時見到佢8.99啊，今日7.99喎。睇下先，呢個1 pack 有5個，不過係大嘅，750克。啱啱喺 Costco 買咗呢盒嘢返嚟，而家開箱睇下入邊係點嘅。入邊係有4包呢啲醬汁， 裏邊就有10條迷你嘅蝦春卷，再加10件佢話蝦餅，呢啲蝦餅，再有10件蘑菇嘅餃子。我而家影下頭先喺 Costco 買嗰啲帶子俾你哋睇啊！我買咗4 pack， 諗住呢，因為而家平嘛，每 pack 平1.5磅，咁2 pack 呢，即係有16隻，就係用呢個粉絲蒜蓉嚟蒸嘅。有一盤而家蒸緊，另外嗰2 pack 呢，就諗住聽日可能放啲牛油擺喺焗爐度焗，就蒜蓉粉絲蒸帶子啱啱蒸好啦。今日就講到呢度，多謝收睇，請你記得訂閱、點讚、留言同分享啊！